Hello, little learners. Today we are going to start with our chapter 13, that is direction. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about direction. When you have to go from one place to another, what we need direction. So, we have four directions. Let's study over here about those four directions. We have, I'm showing you on the top north, bottom is south, on your right is east, and left is west. So these are the four directions, and we have some direction also, and what we call these direction, that is cardinal points of. Now, if we talk about in north and east, between like northeast, southeast, southwest, or northwest, these are the sub direction. So in this chapter, let's study about the direction now. As you know that from where do the sun rises? Sun rises in the east. And we have four main direction, that is east, west, north, south. Let's know more about it. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the direction of the map, four main direction. What direction helps us to? Direction helps us to locate something or some place around us. We often use hand to indicate the direction. What we use our hands like this: east, west, and upward is north and downward is south. So the word left in front and the behind tells us direction. So look at the picture and understand the position of Priya's pets. Here the pets are standing over here. So if we talk about, the cat is in the front of the Priya. And where is rabbit? Rabbit is behind her, the puppy is left to her, and the parrot is right to her. So what we are using? We are using the hands to show the direction. So now look at around yourself and write what is in front of you. I have to write, it's your answer, you have to give your own answer. Right? So the four direction I have told you, right? And the top north, bottom south, right, east, and left, west. So these are the four directions. So look at the picture of the boy standing in front of the rising sun. The sun always rises in the east. So वो direction जो होगी वो क्या होगी? East होगी. इधर वो face कर रहा है. और उसके back side क्या होगा? West होगा. So the direction which the boy is facing is east and behind him in the west. So, and his left is north and right is south. So let's study about the direction of map. A map is a drawing of a locality, town, city, country, and any other place. Look at the direction on the map given here. So the top of the map shows the north, while the bottom of the map shows south direction. So the right side of the map, what it shows? East, and its left side shows the west direction. So what is the book of map called? Atlas. You all have a book of map in which there is a lot of map present and different maps are there. So what we call this map? Atlas. Right? So here some question has been given. You have to answer them. Right? Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.